morning students. Today we are learning about collection of data. Okay, listen. Abhishek and his father visited Toy Shop. Abhishek and his father visited Toy Shop. His father promises to buy him toy. If he answer the questions correctly, can you help him? Listen. We should find the number of toys. We should find the number of toys to answer the questions. Listen. So first let us count the toys. First we count horse toys. Horse toys. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Horse toys 7. Listen. Horse toys 7. There are 7 toys. Okay. Listen. Second one we count ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ball 8. Next third one we count teddy bear. Teddy bear, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Teddy bear 10. Teddy bear toys 10. Okay, listen. Third one we count. Fourth one we count duckling. Duckling toys. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Duckling toys 5. Next listen. Lorry toys. We count lorry toys. 1, 2, 3. Lorry toys 3. Next finally we count rocket. Rocket toys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rocket toys 6. Rocket toys 6. Listen. Horse toys 7. Ball 8. Teddy bear 10. Duckling 5. Lorry 3. Rocket toys 6. Okay, listen. Some ask questions. Which toy is the most in number? Which toy is the most in number? Teddy bear. Teddy bear is the 10. Teddy bear is the most number in toys. Listen. Which is the most number in toy? Teddy bear is the most number. Listen. How many is the items? 10. Teddy bear is the 10 items. Teddy bear is the 10 items. Next question. Which tool is the found to be least in shop? Found to be least in shop. Which toys is the found to be least in shop? The toys say least. The toys say least இருக்குது நமக்கு lorry. Lorry is the 3. Lorry is the 3. In the shop நமக்கு least toys lorry. Lorry is the 3. Next is can you place and rocket and the lorry toys in the same shelf? Listen. Can you place the rocket and the lorry toys in same shelf? Discuss. Listen. We cannot place the rocket toys in the place of lorry toys because the rocket toys because the rocket toy is tallest than the lorry shelf. Because the rocket toy is tallest than the lorry shelf. We cannot the lorry toys the place of rocket toys because the lorry toy is longer. The lorry toy is longer than the rocket shell. The lorry toy is longer than the rocket shell. Okay, listen. So we cannot the place of rocket and the lorry toys in the same shelf. Okay, listen. In the shop which number 3 questions பார்த்தோம். First question, listen. Which is the toys the most number? Most number நமக்கு teddy bear the most number. Okay, listen. In the shop least number lorry. Lorry is the least number. Most number teddy bear. Least number lorry. Okay, listen. Next one. Observe the height of trees in the given pictures and write the answer. Listen, look at the book. Some pictures கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Listen, first one banana tree, palm tree, mango tree, coconut tree. 4 trees கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 4 trees ஓட height first நம்ம write பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? Listen, banana tree, height is 3 meters. Banana tree height is 3 meters. Next one, bomb tree. Bomb tree. B-A-N-A. Bomb tree. Bomb tree's height is 6 meters. Bomb tree's height is 6 meters. Next one, mango tree. Mango tree is the 4 meters. Mango tree is the height is 4 meters. Mango tree height is 4 meters. Next one, last one, coconut tree. Coconut tree height is 5 meters. Coconut tree height is 5 meters. Tree height is 5 meters. Design 4 trees கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 4 trees கான height கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First one, banana tree. Banana tree 3 meters. Banana tree 3 meters. Bomb tree 6 meters. Bomb tree 6 meters. Mango tree 4 meters. Mango tree 4 meters. Next, coconut tree 5 meters. Coconut tree 5 meters. Okay, these are some asked questions. Which is the tallest tree? In the 4 trees, which is the tallest? Tallest means uyaram. Which is the tallest tree? Bomb tree. Bomb tree is 6 meters. Bomb tree is 6 meters. Listen, which is the tallest tree? Bomb tree. Bomb tree is 6 meters. 6 meters. Listen, bomb tree is 6 meters. 6 meters na romba uyarama bomb tree la namukku irukku. Okay, listen, which is the shortest tree? Shortest tree means kuraivaana siriya. Shortest tree means banana tree. Banana tree is the shortest tree. Banana tree the shortest tree. Banana tree is 3 meters. Banana tree is the shortest tree. Next is name the trees which is the 4 meter tall. Name the trees which is the 4 meter tall. 4 meter tall trees namakku mango tree. Mango tree is the 4 meter tall. Mango tree namakku 4 meters tall la irukku. Okay nga. Listen, next one. Name the trees whose height is between 4 meters and 6 meters. Name the tree whose height is between 4 meters and 6 meters. 4 meters and 6 meters between la namakku coconut tree is the 5 meters la irukku. Okay nga. Listen, 4 meters and 6 meters between la namakku mango tree and bomb tree irukku. Indha 2 tree ku between la namakku coconut tree is 5 meters la irukku. Okay nga. Listen, again question, which is the tallest tree? The 4 trees the tallest tree. Bomb tree is the tallest tree. Bomb tree is the tallest tree. Okay, which is the shortest tree? Which is the shortest tree? Is the banana tree is the shortest tree. Banana tree is 3 meters. Okay, listen. Next one, name the trees which is the 4 meter tall. 4 meter tall trees vandichu namakku mango tree is the 4 meters tall. Mango tree namakku 4 meters la irukku. Okay, listen. Next question, name the tree whose height is the between 4 meters and 6 meters. 4 meters and 6 meters between la namakku enna trees irukku? Coconut trees 5 meters la irukku. Listen, palm tree 6 meters, mango tree 4 meters. 4 meters and 6 meters between la namakku 5 meters irukku coconut trees namakku irukku. Okay nga. Listen, 4 trees kuduthanga. Banana trees, palm trees, mango trees, coconut trees. Okay nga. Palm trees 3 meters. Banana trees 3 meters. Palm tree 6 meters. Mango tree 4 meters. Coconut tree 5 meters. Okay, listen. The tallest tree is palm tree is the tallest tree. Okay, next one. The shortest tree is the banana tree is the shortest tree. Okay, next one. Name the tree which is the 4 meter tall. 4 meter tall irukka trees namakku vandu mango tree is the 4 meters tall. Listen, next one. Name the tree whose height is between 4 meters and 6 meters. 4 meters and 6 meters between la namakku endha tree irukuna coconut tree da 5 meters. Okay nga. Listen, palm tree namakku 6 meters irukku, mango tree 4 meters. The between coconut tree da by 5 meters. But between is Coconut tree is 5 meters. Okay, next listen. Children group themselves to take part in the different games. Listen. Look at the book. 3 types of games கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First one running race, second one walking race, third one frog race. Okay, running race the participated students for 30 members. Next walking race participated students for 6 members. Next last one frog race is participant students for 8 members. Okay, listen some asked questions. How many students like to take part in a walking race? Walking race la boys and girls வந்துட்டு எவ்வளவு பேர் participate பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு பார்க்கலாம். Listen. Listen, how many students like to take part in the walking race? Boys and girls. Boys and girls. Okay, listen. Walking race. Totally members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But walking race is 6 members. Boys is 1, 2. 2 members boys. Next girls is 4 members 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members girls. Okay, listen. Second question. How many students like to take part in a frog race? Frog race boys and girls. Participate the boys and girls. Frog race is the totally members. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Totally members participate in the frog race. 8 members. Okay, listen. Girls is listen. Sorry, boys is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members is boys. Okay, next girls is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members girls. Okay, listen. Third question. How many students like to take part in running race? Running race, boys and girls participated. Okay, listen. First listen, participate in the running race. Students listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 members is running race. 13 members is running race. Okay, listen. First one, boys. Count them. We count. Boys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members is boys. 6 members is boys. Okay, listen. 6. Next participate the girls. Girls listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 member is girls. Okay, listen. First one walking race. Second one frog race. Third one running race. Running race. Listen, first one walking race. Walking race totally participated students 6 members. Next listen. Second one frog race. Frog race 8 members. Last one running race. Running race is 30 members. Okay, listen. First one walking race boys 2 members. Girls 4 members. Next frog race. Frog race. Frog race boys 4 members. Girls 4 members participate. Next listen. Running race totally 30 members. Boys 6 members. Girls 7 members. Totally 30 members. Okay, listen. Next question. Which game is the played the maximum number of children? Maximum means adhikam. Which game is the played by maximum number of children is maximum number of children 6, 8, 13. 13 running race is 13. Okay, listen. Our answer is the maximum number of children is running race. Running race is maximum number of children participate in the running race. Running race la அதிகமான childrens வந்து participate பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்ப அந்த क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் fourth question answer running race which games are played by maximum number of children running race. Next question. How many girls are there both walking race and frog race? Listen என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா frog race and walking race both of students வந்துட்டு how many members கேட்டிருக்காங்க both of students how many members கேட்டிருக்காங்க வச்சிருக்காங்க 1 2 3 4 members வந்துட்டு both are walking days and frog days. அப்ப answer 4. Next listen, which game is played by minimum number of children? Minimum number of children. Listen, minimum number of children 6 only. 6 numbers. Listen, 6 numbers. Walking days. Walking days the answer. Okay, listen, which game is played by minimum number of children? Walking days. Walking days நமக்கு 6 members only participate. Okay, listen, walking days 6 members participate. Frog race 8 members participate. Running race 30 members participate. The most maximum numbers participate running race. This is the next minimum numbers participate. Walking days. Walking days the minimum numbers participate. Next is how many students play the game walking days and running race in total? How many students play the game walking days and running race in total? Walking days and running race total கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Listen, 13 running race, 6 walking days. Totally 90 members participate the students. Total 90 members participate the students. ஓகேங்களா? Listen, நம்ம இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்த்தோம்? collection of data பார்த்தோம். Okay, listen, thank you students. Next classல பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா?